Let us now review and see how we can set up our KBucket pages. When you install KBucket, by default, the program creates a page called KBucket that is selected. But you can put your KBucket page on any page that you have created on your WordPress site. Next, you can decide whether you want to display author tags or not, whether you want to have a page title. If you leave it blank, this will be blank. Whether you like to have a site search, how you want the content to be sorted, and how you want it to be ordered, and how many items you want on the page. When we go over to this page, you can see that here's the title, here's the site search, and everything is sorted by the date. And we have 15 items here on the page, and then users can scroll through it. Now, to set up the actual page, you can decide whether you want to do it per shortcode or to have it added automatically. Usually when you have a page builder program, you want to use the shortcodes, and here are the shortcodes: shortcode KBucket list and shortcode KBucket tags. To see how it works, let's go to the page, KBucket page. You can see that we have created 2 columns in a row and added the shortcodes, KBucket list and KBucket tags. We recommend a 75% width and a 25% width that looks like this. Now, if you decide that you wanted to automatically add the content and you select no, you can now see that the shortcode has gone away. We're gonna now choose the no shortcodes page. And when we go to the no shortcodes page, you can see again that the content appears the same way, but now you have to add the widget to the sidebar. So when we go to the appearance widgets on our sidebar, you can see that we have added the KBucket tags. I'm going to show you here. If you browse all of your widgets, you will see that you have something called KBucket tags in your widget directory, and now you can add it to the sidebar, and everything is going to look exactly the same way that you have set it up on your KBucket settings page.